So this may be the trail that I was looking at over there by 28th and the other end of the trail, 28th and Eastern. KEN-O-SHA. This is KEN-O-SHA's school, I guess. Grand Rapids Public School. The trail and park looks like it's over there. And on the map it goes along that same creek, assuming that's the Plaster Creek. I wonder if this school is no longer in business. Looks kind of closed down. Doesn't look, unless they just haven't gotten ready for the new year, or have they started yet? Yeah, there's windows out. Huh. Don't know. Anyways, this is what I was looking for, KEN-O-SHA. The other end of that trail, I'll have to hike it sometime. Or ride it. KEN-O-SHA Nature Center.